Hello guys, welcome back to Handicap. Today we gonna prepare the integral equation, guys. So this the equation x per x plus 1 dx integral. How to solve it? Yeah, we can separate this equation first into x plus 1 minus 1 per x plus 1. This is 0, yeah. 1 minus 1 it is 0, same with this. So this we separate into this and then this. Okay, it is become integral x plus 1 per x plus 1 minus 1 per x plus 1. So we can integral each equation. This become 1 integral dx minus integral 1 per x plus 1 dx. So it is become x minus ln x plus 1 plus c this. Haha, it's simple, isn't it? Okay, see you next video, guys. Bye bye.